Yeah, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are treating how to calculate the sample size from margin of error. It's a step-by-step guide. Part 1, derivation of sample size n from margin of error. Now let our margin of error, this is formula for the margin of error, E, we stand for the margin of error, is equal to Z alpha sigma over root n. We leave it as equation 1. By making n the subject of the formula, we are going to cross multiply root n with E. The E that stands for margin of error, we are going to have this root n times E is equal to Z alpha sigma, equation 2. Make root n the subject of the formula, this is what we have, and therefore make n the subject of the formula by squaring both sides of the equation 3. So we have our n to be is equal to Z alpha square sigma square all over E square. Before we go on to the example, we have to define the concepts used in this derivation of sample size. Z alpha stands for level of confidence, E is the margin of error, sigma is the standard deviation, n is the sample size, which we are going to calculate soon in this example 1. The example 1 states that suppose x is a random variable with mean mu and standard deviation 3. We have given the value of our standard deviation to be 3, and we wish to obtain 99% confidence interval for mu with a margin of error larger than 0.7. How large must the sample size be? This is a question. They want to find out how large our sample size is going to be. Now, before we apply the equation 4 to solve this problem, we are going to extract the parameter as stated in the question. Z alpha is equal to Z 0.99, which is 99%, and the value of 99% confidence level is 2.5 feet. Our E, which is margin of error, as you can see here, is 0.7. Then our sigma, which is the standard deviation, is 3. Then now our n, we don't need the value of n. In other words, we are going to use this formula to find the value of our sample size n. Therefore, going back to equation 4, we are going to write down this equation down. N is equal to Z alpha square sigma square all over E square, and we will be substituting all the value that was stated earlier here. After doing that, we have 122.2604. Our n is approximately 122. We are going to truncate all this decimal place, so to be this. That's why we wrote n is approximately 1.2. Then our sample size now is equal to 122. If you find the content of this video interesting, press the notification bell button and press the subscription button so that you can be first notified anytime we are posting a new video, and share this video to reach a wider audience across the globe. Thank you very much. Bye.